everyone, it is Rachel. I am back with my 40, I think it's 47? No, 48 Stitch Fix. Here it is. It's in a little box this time. This one's kind of fun because we are going on a family vacation, or not a family, a child-free vacation in a couple months to Europe, and so I asked for some pieces for that to start trying to have stuff that I can adult in, because 90% of my outfits, if you notice here, are like these outfits, which are nursing shirts, so I can have easy access. So trying to build back up my wardrobe so that when I am not available for nursing, I have cute stuff. So as always, Stitch Fix is a subscription service. You can do it as much or as little as you want. I have mine set for about every 3 to 4 weeks. And I've been doing this for a long time. I started this after my daughter was born because things suddenly didn't fit right, and I am postpartum, just shy of 8 months from my son, and so you know, things are still not fitting right. I'm still not quite my final postpartum size. Sorry guys, I'm trying to go through this box to find all my stuff. So when you do Stitch Fix, for those who are not familiar with it, this company's been around for a long time. I think there's kind of different layers of it. So I have a style pass, and I think you have to be invited to do that. And it was, I think it was like $49 or $48 or something like that. And basically I can get unlimited fixes for the year, and that credit goes towards whatever I bought. I've since used that credit a long time ago. Most people, it's like $20, and that credit goes towards whatever you buy. As long as you buy at least one item, you don't lose that credit. And so that's kind of the basic gist of it. Some of the cool things they added on recently that I've definitely taken advantage of is you used to only have 3 days to try these on and return them. Now they allow you to extend it up to like a week or so. So like I got this box 4 or 5 days ago, and I extended it through to this tomorrow. So that's why I'm doing this video, which has given me a little bit more time to think and try on stuff. They also allow you to exchange through the website if they have the sizes available. Used to, you have to email the customer service, and then they would try to arrange it with you. It was a big hassle. This is much easier, and I think they don't have this option now, but it looks like on the website that maybe they're going to do this with exchanging colors, which would be really cool. You can do your different price points. They have luxury versions, regular. I kind of have a mix. So my stylist is Christian, who is amazing, and I've had him for a while now. I've had quite a few different stylists over the 4-year period, and in each of your boxes you get your little style card that shows everything that comes in, and then your stylist writes you a nice little note and references if you leave them little info. And so my stylist is referencing about my adult only Spain trip and all the stuff and why he thinks these pieces are good. So also in this little envelope, so it all comes in a little envelope here, they have the what these cost, the breakdown, the sizes, and then if you keep all 5 items you get 25% off, and then the final price if you were to keep all 5 items. Sometimes you have to do math if you think you're going to send home an item to see, is it cheaper to keep it or is it cheaper to not. And I've had that where I've had one piece I didn't care for, but the discount was cheaper than sending it back. And so sometimes I do that, and then I give that item away. There are all these boards on Facebook and otherwise that people actually sell the items with this in mind. When they keep items that they don't want to keep, I follow those boards. I don't usually sell. I just like seeing what people get. All right, so we're going to dig into it. I'm going to go over all these items, and then I'm going to try something different because I know a lot of you guys want to see how these things fit and look. And so normally I do it on my blog post. I'm going to try to pause, try these on, come back. I'm still trying to figure out what editing software I want to use, and I'm not huge on editing because if I start editing, I'm going to get my videos out less often just because I am way too busy. I do work a full-time job and I have 2 kids, so I don't have a lot of extra time to do editing. But let's get into this video and we'll see if that part works at the end. So the first item was this beautiful little package. I love when I get jewelry. They don't send me jewelry often. I don't know why. I should probably just tell them to send me jewelry more often. And this is a Bancroft Kelsey tassel earrings. So you can see these. And they are kind of like a whitish with gold. And these are really heavy duty. Like, these are really, really cute. I'm going to try these on because I know I'm going to keep these already because I really like these. And they come with like a little ear stopper part in the back. Let me see if I can put these bad boys on. So you can see, ooh, these are very on point right now. I'm seeing a lot of stuff like this, the tassels and the danglies. I love dangly earrings. Now these are very long. I think if you had a shorter neck, these might be a little bit too long, but for me, I am 6 foot. I have a really long neck. I have really long hair, if you can't tell. I think this looks fabulous. So I am definitely keeping these. I think these are very sophisticated and beautiful. They are a little on the heavier side. I definitely feel it weighing on my ears. So if you don't like heavier, that might be an issue. But yeah, these are the earrings. So the price on these are $28, and actually for the quality that these are, I don't think that that's an unreasonable price. Their jewelry I tend to find is a little bit more pricey, but I like it. I've gotten some really pretty pieces. So those are the earrings. Okay, moving on to the next piece. So the next piece here is, I wasn't sure when I saw this piece if I was going to like it or not. Because it is a red and green and brown, so it seems kind of like, is this summery or not? But this is the, I have my little sheet down here that I'm looking. This is the Haley 23 Hyatt Open Kimono, and I don't know if I have any of this brand. I have a lot of the different brands, but my current stylist is really kind of branching me out into new brands, which I really appreciate. But this is a very lightweight, I think this is cotton. Let me see if I can find it on here. So this, oh, it's 100% rayon. So this is a hand wash and a flat dry, which I'm okay with that. But it is lightweight and it is a really pretty kimono. I did try it on earlier. I really like this. I'm going to show you how this weighs on me because I've had some other kimonos that kind of, I don't know, of being really tall with a long torso. Sometimes these look like miniature on me, and this one was a nice looking. So that is this item. This item is $48, and that was a size medium. The next item here is a company that I've tried their jeans, but I've never actually gotten a shirt from them. And this is the Daniel Rain. Sorry, not Daniel Rain. This is the Cut from the Cloth Adrian Cold Shoulder Blouse in light pink and medium. And this one's kind of fun. I don't have a lot of cold shoulder items. Some people love them, some people hate them. I like showing off my shoulders, so I think it's fun. And I've told my stylist that I really like fun, different necklines and shoulder lines. So you can see it's a pink and blue. This is a really lightweight material. Like I said, I've only had Cut from the Cloth jeans, and their jeans run big. So this is 100% polyester. And it is machine wash, so this is good, and you can put it in the dryer. Now, and I'll show you guys in the video, it's a little bit tight on my boobs and a little bit tight at my hip because it hits, because of my long torso where it hits. I suspect it hits most people a little bit lower. Where it hits me, it hits right at the widest part of my hips, and my hips are a little bit wider than they used to be. So this is, I looked last night and they have this size bigger. So I'm gonna, if it's still available, I will probably keep this in a larger size. All right, next, and that one is $58, which is kind of on par for my average price for for Stitch Fix stuff. So the next thing is the Daniel Rain item, and I have a lot of Daniel Rain shirts. I love them. They fit me well. They wear and tear nicely. So this is the item. It is a Raleigh crochet neckline knit top in blue in size medium. It is this really fun, like stretchy material, but it doesn't cling. It flows really nicely, and it's got the little flowers here. The only thing I'm going to have a problem with this is I don't know what bra I'm going to wear with this. I have to get some new bras. I am still in nursing bras, so yeah, it's been fun. They're the most unsexy things you can ever wear. All right, let me see. This is 93% spandex. Sorry, rayon and 7% spandex, and it's hand wash, flat dry. Again, I'm okay with that, but this is really comfy. And super cute and a great color, and I like it. Like I think this is a nice thing, and it looks nice. I'll show you guys at the end. Okay, this is the most fun, and I've never had one of these, and I am so excited. Oof, it's all inside out. So I got sent a jumpsuit, a very expensive jumpsuit, and I'm a little skeptical. I haven't worn a jumpsuit since the end of high school when I was in theater, and it was for a skit. But anyway, jumpsuits are super, I like seeing everyone in them, and I sit there and I'm like, oh, I want a jumpsuit. And I, can I ever find one that I think will look nice on me that's long enough? So this is how long it is. It is, I'm going to put it on and let you guys tell me what you think, but it has this detailing up in the neck. And I did try this on last night, and the zipper does not go all the way to the top, and the top almost has like a jewelry clasp. And actually, I was sitting there thinking, like, why did they do this? But when you are in a jumpsuit and you are trying to get in and out of it to go to the bathroom, you need to be able to access the zipper, and the zipper goes to a point in your back that you can still access it. So actually that was a very clever point. Now this is in a size 8, which is, I tend to wear more 10s now that I've had children. I used to be consistently an 8. So I was a little worried about it. And this is by Laundry by Sheila Siegel. This is an expensive brand from, well, I'll tell you the price at the end here. But let me find the care instructions, because I haven't looked to see what the care instructions on this are. So this is 95% polyester and 5% elastin. It is hand wash cold, flat dry, do not dry clean. It is actually really well made. It's double line, and it's got like extra stretchy material. So this is the part where I'm going to pause, show you guys each of these items on, and hopefully this does not screw up and mess up, but let you guys see what I think. And oh, before we get to that part, let me tell you the price on this last item. What did I do with my paper? Oh, here it is. So that last item, the jumpsuit, is $148, so it is expensive. So let me pause here and try these on and show you guys what I look in them. All right, guys, this is what the kimono looks like. I'm gonna flip it around so you can see my mirror here. It is super cute. The color looks really good. And it is very flowy here. So you can see me, I'm just in my normal nursing top and my jeans and everything. So I like this. This looks pretty good. All right, I'm gonna pause for the next one. All right, here is the Daniel Rain top. Ignore the bra. Again, I have my big bulky nursing bra on. But you can see here the outfit, and I'm gonna go around to my big old mirror here. So yeah, looks really cute. It's really flowy and comfortable. I like it. I just have to figure out a bra that works with it. All right, so now we're gonna go on to the top that I have to get a different size in. All right, everybody, here is the Daniel Rain top. So it is a little tight on me. As you can see in the mirror, it pulls right at my hips. It pulls across my breasts here. I need to be a size up. I like the shoulder detailing. I like the color. The top is too small. So this top will be going back. If I can exchange it for a bigger size, great. If I can't, oh well. But yeah, that's that top. A little disappointing, but I think even though cut from cloth runs bigger on other stuff, I think for their shirts they tend to run smaller, and this shirt has no give. Like, I feel like I'm being stuck here. Like, I cannot move my arms more forward than this. All right, so here, let me get the jumpsuit on. Hopefully my phone does not die before I can get the suit on and show you guys. So I'll be back. All right, here is the jumpsuit. So again, ignore the bra. I'm also not wearing the best underwear with it. So this definitely has some stretch, as you can see. And so there are underwear lines. Sorry, this is not the best thing. I am carrying about 15 pounds more than I normally would. And when I stop breastfeeding, that usually comes right off. So I don't know. I looked, and yesterday they did not have the bigger size. I think I would have to wear a pair of Spanx to kind of smooth everything out right now. When I'm back to my pre-pregnancy weight, which it will take me a couple more months to get there, I suspect this will lay really nicely. Overall, though, it doesn't look half bad. Like, minus the few little areas, I don't feel bad. And then, guys, look at this. Look, if you can see. It is, I'm going to have to show you in the mirror. It is long enough. It is like super duper long. I'm 6 foot. So yeah, I didn't clasp the back either because, well, I'm being lazy. But I think I'm going to debate tonight because I think I might keep this with the hope that when the last 15 pounds come off like they did with my daughter, that I gotta hop in a jumpsuit. I've got a couple months to get back into a little bit more shape and or buy a pair of Spanx that I like. But yeah, this is very, I feel very adult and sophisticated in this. So anyway, that is my Stitch Fix box. I will do a post on my blog with some better pictures, but I love it like always. So, you know, tell me what you think, subscribe. And thanks, guys.